Right, a very brief statement there. We'll try and get it translated from our colleagues on the ground as well. But remember that the opposition parties, the Mahavikas Aghadi is going all guns blazing against the Maharashtra government, saying that this is reflective of the city. That is what Devendra Fadnavis has responded to and said. It's not good to say that Mumbai has become unsafe. Remember, a city otherwise which is often boasted about its safety, its security, and now with multiple cases that have happened, at least against celebrities and from the film industry, the Mahavikas Aghadi is asking how can even otherwise a safe area like Bandra is being seen where so many incidents of law and order are surfacing. To which Devendra Fadnavis gave a brief statement and said that these are isolated incidents and it's not all right to say that the whole city has become unsafe. Of course, he was responding to the political charges after there was an intruder who's managed to make an entry inside the house, harming the actor and possibly intended to do the same for other family members as well. Remember that the injuries could have gone very fatal for the actor. Outside the hospital, that's where Sana Farzeen is. So Sana, the Maharashtra Chief Minister has given out a statement saying it's not about targeting the whole city. What is happening at the hospital right now? Are more visitors coming in? What are the doctors saying?
Absolutely, there is chaos. There are a lot of fans and bystanders who are seeing media are getting confused about what exactly is happening. Definitely, whoever is hearing that it's Saif Ali Khan and he's been attacked, they are absolutely shocked and rightfully so. Definitely, CM's statement has kind of given a sigh of relief for people, and they are expecting that the government, that the police team will enforce a stronger security for people. Right now, because Saif is resting after the surgery, we haven't seen any visitors yet, but definitely we are expecting more people to come in the evening. Right now, the family who has been also awake the whole night is also probably resting it out, and after their relief that Saif is safe post the surgery, and definitely post evening we will be expecting a lot more friends, industry colleagues to visit him. Although doctors have suggested that Saif needs to be in the ICU for a couple of more days.
NCP Supriya Sule is also now speaking on this issue. She also rang up one of the family members. Let's listen into what she's saying.
और जो इसमें गलत अगर किया हो, जिसने अटैक किया तो जल्द से जल्द पकड़ा जाएगा और उस फैमिली की सिक्योरिटी की जिम्मेदारी ये मुंबई पुलिस ने है।
इन लोगों को हिरासत में लिया है उस बारे में
अभी पता नहीं चल रहा है। आई थिंक एक 24 घंटा तो होने दीजिए और एक ऑफिशियल स्टेटमेंट पुलिस से आना चाहिए।
क्या बताएंगे, लगातार हमले हो रहे हैं, पुणे में भी हमले हो रहे हैं, कई जगहों पर हमले ऐसे हो रहे हैं और खास करके अभिनेताओं पर ज्यादा शिकंजा हो रहा है।
सब जगह ऐसे कैसे आप कह सकते हैं, वो भी नागरिक ही है ना इस राज्य के। अभी बारामती में 8 दिन पहले हल्ला हुआ, पूना में अभी यही कह रहे थे कि पूना में अभी शूटिंग हुआ है। उसके बाद परभणी और बीड़ की जो घटना है, उसी तो हम तो रोज एक इमोशनल इशू हो रहा है वहाँ। बहुत मुझे वो आंसू नहीं देख पा रहे, इतना दुख सबको हो रहा है। जिस तरह से क्रूर पद्धति से हत्या हुई है वहाँ, वो हो रहा है। मुंबई में तो क्राइम आज देख रहे हैं किस तरह से बढ़ रहा है। बांद्रा में जहाँ ये सब लोग रहते हैं, बहुत सारी सिक्योरिटीज, कैमरा, सब कुछ है वहाँ, फिर भी किसी की हिम्मत होती है उस घर में जाके इतना अटैक करने की। बहुत चिंताजनक बात है। और महाराष्ट्र में क्राइम तो बढ़ ही रहा है, ये आपके चैनल में रोज दिख रहा है।
सलमान खान को भी लगातार धमकियां दी जा रही है पिछले कई वर्षों से, क्या कनेक्शन हो सकता है?
ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा। मेरे ख्याल से सलमान खान जी पे जो अटैक हुआ है, उसके बाद सैफ अली खान जी के घर पे जो अटैक हुआ है, और जो हत्या पिछले 2 महीने पहले जो हुई थी, उसका कोई लिंक है कि नहीं, ये तो वक्त ही बताएगा। मेरे ख्याल से 1-2-4 दिन में पुलिस के यहाँ से हमें रुकना पड़ेगा। अभी तो सैफ अली खान, उनकी बीवी और उनके बच्चों की सुरक्षितता, ये हमारे लिए सबसे अभी मायने रखती है।
छगन भुजबळ यांची नाराजी अजून काय नाही मंत्रिपद नाही।
So remember, after the UBT Sena, it's NCP Supriya Sule who's jumped on this and said that this is reflective of how one after another incidents are taking place. She also raised the Salman Khan issue, that there was firing around his residence that led him to take some measures personally. What the Chief Minister said on this, let's listen in.
असं वाटतं की देशातल्या मेगा सिटीमध्ये सर्वात सुरक्षित मुंबई आहे. हे खरं आहे की कधी कधी काही घटना घडतात, त्याला गंभीरतेने देखील घेतलं पाहिजे, पण केवळ त्या घटनांमुळे मुंबई असुरक्षित आहे असं म्हणणं हे याकरता योग्य होणार नाही की याने मुंबईची प्रतिमा देखील खराब होते, पण ते अधिक सुरक्षित राहिलं पाहिजे या दृष्टीनं निश्चित सरकार प्रयत्न करेल.
Sana Farzeen continues to be with us. Sana, I bring you in here. This is becoming a political showdown. Tell us more about what the CM said, and I'm wondering, put it in perspective, why does the opposition Mahavikas Aghadi believe that this is the failure of the state police, the government in terms of law and order?
Absolutely, because firstly, these are high-profile cases. These actors live in high-security buildings, and to manage to invade it and go ahead and even attack a celebrity right inside their house, that is a breach of security of a different level. And I'm sure a lot more people are worried about the safety, and they are questioning that if a celebrity can face this, where does the security lies about the normal citizens, about the people who may not be living in gated society, or people with no security guards outside their home. Definitely this has become a political issue, especially after Salman Khan's incident and Baba Siddiqui's death, and definitely both parties would be kind of alleging that it's the failure of the government, but whatever it is, people right here, the industry right here is kind of pleading to the government, pleading to the security forces that they need better security. This cannot happen, this cannot continue, because especially when families are involved, children are involved, they are definitely looking forward and hoping that the government and the police force can implement a stronger security force for their protection, for their protection of their family. And definitely the CM's statement suggests that we shouldn't take one incident as a and blame it to the entire city, but definitely this would it has impacted the image and impacted how security forces lies, especially when it comes to high profile cases.
Sana, stay on with me. This is a full-on showdown. Remember, it was